Let us now hear CIO's perspective on low-code technology.
It allows you to deliver much faster because the world is changing faster. The businesses have much more expectations because of that from the IT. And that must result in the IT delivering faster, but how? That's where low-code, no-code comes in. That's where OutSystems and Nitor come in.
I think the business users, they need the power in their hand to build solutions and applications. And if that happens, business rapidly moves into progressive direction. So the more the power in the hand of business users, the more the business works, and that's why low code works very well.
Looks like this will be a future going ahead because of the agility, flexibility, easy to deploy, and probably easy for the users as well as to use it once those are deployed.
Earlier it was kind of luxury, but now it will be a necessity.
We see that challenges are very common in the industry, and such events just ensures that our thinking process is correct.
Low-code development is a faster way, agile way to get into the market, and I think slowly people are adopting it.
Along with the golfing, connecting with the technology and in the open natural air, so it's good. It's a great event.
The most important thing which I liked about the event is done in the golf course, number one. Number two, you have not made it more formal. It is more like an informal kind of event, so which I liked the most.
It's a lot of interaction, networking, knowing friends, so it is good.
It is great.
Great event.
Great event. Give it up.